Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how I made this gorgeous silver tissue box cover using the embossed contact paper. Guys, if you remember, I made a tissue box cover very similar to this one, except I made that one in a rose gold colored sequence. That came out absolutely lovely as well. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the cards above, or you can find it in the description section below. If you're interested in how I made this, just keep watching. So here I'm starting out with 5 pre-cut sections of the tissue box. I'm using the white foam board from the Dollar Tree. Here's the contact paper. It's silver embossed contact paper. We've used this in other videos and it's absolutely gorgeous. I've already pre-cut the pieces down to the size of the panels that you see here. Also, I'm going to be using this diamond wrap. I'm going to be using my hot glue gun glue sticks, my scissors, and a utility knife. So right here, I'm just cutting out the opening for the top of the tissue box. So right now I'm gluing the side panel to the top of the box using a little hot glue and holding it into place while it sets. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. Now I'm going to add the side panels, the shorter sides. Here I'm just using a little hot glue to reinforce all the side seams. And I'm doing the same to the inside of the box. So as you can see, my box is uneven, so what I'm doing here is removing any of the excess so that the box can be a perfect rectangle. So now it's time to peel back the contact paper and add that to the side panel of the box. And I'm just going to continue to add the contact paper until the box is completely covered. So here I'm going to use my utility knife to remove the excess. Now I'm just going to make an opening in the tissue box cover just by cutting away some of that contact paper. Now I'm adding the diamond wrap to the top of the box. I'm going to focus on the sides and the ends of the box. Now I'm going to add some of the diamond wrap to the top of the box. And you want to be careful not to have any of the wrap moving into the opening of the box, because it will make your tissue shred as you pull it from the box. And guys, that is it. Look how pretty that looks. It looks so silvery and icy. It's absolutely gorgeous. Very, very glamorous. And we can see if our tissue box fits in, and it does. And the tissue feeds through very nicely. And that's it, guys. Very quick, very easy. I've made a box like this before in sequins. But anyway, let me know what you think. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today, guys. And thanks for watching. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.